In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a single name on Facebook. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So if you want to change your name on Facebook and make it only a single name and not your first name and last name, so you want to get only one name or single name, so follow the steps. So first you want to open your Facebook application. And from here, tap on your profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Now tap on the gear icon in the upper right corner of the screen, which is our settings. So from here, you want to tap on Account Center. Now tap on your profiles and select your Facebook account. And from here, as you can see, you can change your name, your username, your profile picture, and your avatar. So simply tap on your name. And from here, just edit your last name. So you want to remove this. So as you can see, if we remove it entirely, we can't change it. So we need a last name. So just tap on space. And as you can see, we can now review change and change our name as a single name on Facebook. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.